Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the glorious GMMK 2, a hot swappable TKL mechanical keyboard that's been making waves in the gaming world. This renewed version boasts a solid build with a sleek metal top frame, giving it durability and a premium feel. What really sets this keyboard apart is its 5-pin hot swappable support. You can easily swap out switches from various brands without any soldering, making customization a breeze. Whether it's glorious, cherry, kale, Gatron, or the coveted glorious Panda switches, the compatibility is impressive. Sound matters, especially for gamers, and this keyboard delivers. The lubricated stabilizers produce a satisfyingly consistent thocky sound, and the thick interior foam minimizes case ping, enhancing the overall typing experience. Let's talk aesthetics. With 16.8 million color RGB lighting and 18 pre-installed lighting effects, you've got a plethora of options to match your setup. And for those who love customizing every aspect, the optional Glorious Core software allows for per-key backlighting customization, macros creation, key remapping, and more. Connectivity-wise, it's USB-C, which is fantastic for speed and convenience. This keyboard is a great fit for gaming setups, and its compact 65% layout makes it space-efficient without compromising functionality. In summary, the glorious GMMK 2 TKL keyboard offers versatility, durability, and customization options that cater to both gamers and keyboard enthusiasts. If you're looking for a top-notch hot swappable mechanical keyboard, this one's definitely worth considering. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.